Hello, my name is Mrs. Puri and I am the PixL Edge lead for Collingwood College, and today I will be telling you a bit more about PixL Edge and why you should be joining PixL Edge and what are the advantages of being a member of the PixL Edge community at Collingwood College. So what is PixL Edge? PixL Edge is a software platform which has been bought by Collingwood College and many other schools around the country where students are given skills for life and employability. It's based on 5 attributes that's called the LORIC attribute. So the LORIC stands for L for leadership, O for organization, R is for resilience, I for initiative, and C for communication. So all of these you can see are the key skills that you can use in your education, in higher education, and then these can be transferred into your real life scenario as well as your employment. How does PixL Edge work? So you have a range of different skills, like hundreds and hundreds of different skills, which you might already be doing without realizing that you can apply and gain PixL Edge qualification. PixL Edge qualification is recognized by universities and by employers, so you can be put down on your CV. It makes you more employable because then the employer and your higher education at university will know that you have got the PixL Edge skills, like I mentioned already. At PixL Edge, you can gain the 3 levels, the apprentice level, a graduate or a master level. There is a pioneer level that's introduced between the graduate and apprentice, but sometimes you can go straight from graduate to a master level as well. To achieve each level, you need to do a variety of different activities. And like I said, these are activities which you might already be doing, which could be looking after your grandparents, walking a dog, helping a neighbor. You might be very skillful at art, music, drama. It's literally anything you're doing outside the box that can contribute. It can equally be supporting the school, representing the school, helping the teachers, open evening. The range and the list is exhausting. So by just doing simple things which you might be already doing, and by recording and keeping a log on the PixL Edge website will give you a qualification. So if you join the PixL Edge, you will be issued with a username and password, and you will have a form to fill in for each of the different skills. And once you've completed all 5 skills within A level, you are issued with a badge and certificate. Hi, so you may wonder, what is it that you need to do to achieve these levels? I've done a breakdown here. If you're an apprentice, you need to complete 10 activities, 2 per attributes. Pioneer is 5 activities, 1 per key attribute. Graduate level is 8 activities, so you have 1 per attribute, and then you can choose any 3 from the other ones. And if you're a master, you need to do 5 activities for every single attribute. So you can see as the levels increase, the number of activities you need to do and the time you need to spend and the depth you need to complete them gets more higher and higher and more complex. So each level is doable. There is no reason why if you start in year 7 or 8 or 9 that you can't achieve a graduate or a master level. Like I said previously, why should you do PixL Edge? It gives you skills for life. It is recognized by sixth form. It will help you go into apprenticeship schemes, university application, employment, lifetime. So if you're a really good communicator, you have more confidence. If you can use your initiative, you will go far in life and do discoveries and invent things. These are all the key things you will need. Leadership, if you're leading a company, if you're leading in your employment, if you're setting an example for others, it could be like you are football, playing football and you're captain for that. That is a leadership skill. You might want to do experiments and take a lead in that. All the 5 skills are so valuable to make you what you are and take you far in life. And again, organization is such a key skill in everyday life as well as employment, education, and so on. So if you're not organized, if you're not making timetables, if you're not revising, it affects your grades. And like I said, at the end, once you have done each activity for each level, I will sign it off and then a certificate is generated. and you will be given a certificate and be presented with a badge, and that can be done by a member of SLT on a face-to-face basis, or it can be done on a red carpet by the head teacher. So it's quite privileged, it's a prestige thing to have, it goes into your record, you can collect these over time. Here is a link to a YouTube video which sums up all the things I've said about PixL Edge. Why should you do it? What will you get out of it? How does it make you a better person? How does it gain you confidence? How does it make you outstanding? So everybody will have their academic grades as they move on in life, but what is it that you have and you can offer that is unique about yourself? And makes you stand out in the crowd, and why should you be picked, or why should you be employed, why should a university give you a place? These kind of things will add on and give you a better chance in life. And finally, what I wanted to do was thank the students. I have got testimony by 4 different students from Collingwood College who have started they started the PixL Edge when they were in year 7, and they now have reached at different levels in the PixL Edge. So I've got Amy and Alexa here, who are our upper school ambassadors for PixL Edge. They started the PixL Edge in year 7. They've now finished the graduate level and they can start the master level if they like. What they said was that they think everyone should join PixL Edge as it helps them with useful skill like public speaking, organization. They have found it a really good thing that they have used when they're trying to get work experience, and both of them have managed to secure work experience in year 10 using the skills they have gained. We then got a testimony by Lexi. Lexi started PixL Edge in year 7. She's now in year 10. And she has worked her way through different levels. She is currently at graduate level, and she says that it's boosted her confidence, it's allowed her to do many challenges, and for each small challenge she's made it fun. It's given her freedom for her to complete the task how she wanted to do it. She finds it very stress-free and relaxing, all the tasks that she gets. And she's also saying that it's kind of a good deed for a day, drawing, and she enjoys it quite a lot. She's saying she benefits to put it on her CV, that her future employers can see that she's done that. And it's equally recognized like DOE, like Lexi has said, like a big qualification. And finally, Chloe, who is also in year 10 and also a representative and ambassador for a PixL Edge. She has said it's benefited her in many ways. It's made her a more confident and a better person. She has found a lot of social skills, more creative skills, and she has enjoyed every bit of PixL Edge, and she looks forward to complete the next level. I hope this has given you a bit of information of why you should be doing PixL Edge, and if you are interested, and if you are ex-PixL Edge students who want to join PixL Edge, or if you are a new student who hasn't done PixL Edge and would like to join it regardless of what year you're in, because it runs from year 7 to 13, then please email me or contact or come and see me in person in S14. Thank you for listening.